What's up, Homestead homies? It's Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, and I'm Stacy. And today we're going to make a yummy, fabulous chocolate mousse. And I like this version. It's just very simple. It's very easy. It is dairy-free. It's paleo-friendly. It's vegan. And it tastes phenomenal. And it only takes a few ingredients, and it's very easy just to whip up, especially if you're in a hurry. So come on over. So you'll only need some full-fat coconut milk. Make sure you use full fat because it won't taste as good if you don't. Some unrefined salt like Redmond salt, some vanilla, some cacao powder, and either maple syrup or honey. And shout out to the Antos Ketchum family for sending us that syrup from Vermont. It has been great. So all you're going to need to do, and before we start, I want to talk about cacao powder real quick. A lot of people are mixed up and they don't know the difference between cocoa powder, like your Hershey's cocoa powder, like you make hot chocolate with, and cacao powder. So there's a big difference. They look the same, they kind of smell the same, they taste pretty much the same. However, they're processed differently. The cacao powder has been cold pressed. So when it's been, and it keeps all the enzymes in it. As opposed to the cocoa powder where it's been high heat treated, so it's going to destroy all the enzymes. Because you hear how chocolate and your dark chocolates are so helpful for you with magnesium and all these wonderful things that it's doing with your blood pressure and giving you energy, helping your mood and all that. Well, it's from the cacao because it's treated and it's processed differently. So if you are going to want the benefits of your chocolate, definitely get the cacao powder if you're going to be using it. Or the same thing when it talks about chocolate bars, you want the cacao. Okay? Because they're both from the actual cacao bean. So this is the one you want to get. Links are below if you want to check it out. Alright, so I'm going to put 1 can of the coconut milk in there. Now when you guys are making this, if you want to double it, then just double everything. I'm just doing 1 can. So it's 1 can of the coconut milk. And then I'm going to put just a teeny pinch of salt. Just a little bit of salt in there. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of my cacao powder in there. So 2 tablespoons of the cacao. And then 2 tablespoons of my maple syrup. Now I'm going to blend it up. So you can use a whisk, you can use an electronic one. Since we're off grid here, I'm going to use my little hand mixer here until it gets kind of creamy. So now that it's creamy, I'm ready to go ahead and put it in my containers, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator just for, you know, a couple hours for it to kind of thicken up a little bit. So all I'm going to do is put it in my little jar here. Fill it up, and then we can serve it. And this is really good. I think I might serve this with some berries. It's really good with strawberries or with some raspberries. And then I'll have a little one that I'll make for a snack later for either Doug or I. There you go, fill this up. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator and enjoy it a little bit later with some berries.
Alright, we're going to break into some of that chocolate moussey stuff. This was the smaller container that you made. I'm always in charge of quality control when it comes to this stuff. So, right now it's winter time, so we just set it outside. That is good stuff. I'm a dessert connoisseur, by the way. And also, if it freezes, it's even better. I mean, it's like, not that we eat them anymore, but we used to eat Wendy's Frosties. I'm sure you did too. So it's kind of like that. And then also what you guys can do is you can put them into ice trays and then put little popsicle sticks in them, and then you can have little fudge popsicle sticks for the kids. Oh, speaking of kids, don't forget our poem contest is going on till the end of the month. 15 years of age and younger. Send in your poem. We're going to pick 3 winners. We're getting a lot of them in now, so that's cool. We appreciate that. This actually did turn out really good. You guys are going to want to hit this one. I'm telling you. You know Stacy puts them together. Also, guys, our t-shirts are out. We have brand new t-shirts. Make sure you hit the link down below. They're out for a limited time. You're going to want to get some. That helps us with the Learning Center. So we're not just like hanging out selling t-shirts. We're selling t-shirts to accomplish a goal. And if you guys like the content that we put up and you're enjoying all these videos, and you know you couldn't get a cold frame, maybe they were too expensive, or you know you think sometimes, man, Doug and Stacy should have a Patreon or whatever, just go hit a t-shirt, and then that helps us out a little bit and we appreciate it. So don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Go get your ingredients. You're gonna want to make this one, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.